I've been coming to this place ever since I was a kid, and I remember in the 2000s, this is the way it used to be, but now in the digital age, this is the new way that they do it. But this, I hear this is one of the only theaters, 30 in the whole world that are playing it, and this is just one of them right here in Sacramento.
Number 30.
Oh, so this is the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what's interesting is I've been to this theater a few times. My girlfriend and I, or me and a few friends, and we've had the whole theater to ourselves, or just a few people. And now I've never seen the theater so full. It's going to be an interesting experience to see.
Yeah, it's sold out almost every show.
Oh, wow.
Seats left,
Oh, I'm glad I bought the tickets. Yeah, I remember in high school I took some film photo classes, and we also had some film cameras the old school way, and seeing the little film, putting it up to the light. But oh well, yeah, this is 70 millimeters right here.
3D printed this so it fit on platters.
And I read this is 600 pounds, the whole movie.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
11 miles.
11 miles, yeah. From Lodi is where I grew up, and that's about 11, 12-ish miles in length. So this would be stretched all of Lodi. And then this is 30 frames a second. 24. Or 24. Okay, well, still your eyeballs won't notice that.
Come around this way.
Wow, so this is.
So it's running 24 frames a second. So you got little 6s start here. There's 24 of those. And it goes all the way to here. So that much film's running through a second.
24 pictures. Oh wow. So obviously don't touch this, but. And then I hear, of course, this is a big process to get it to work.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
So,
that
now I also hear that some theaters show it in regular non-IMAX 70 millimeter,
I saw that.
and regular 30 is. And then
35 millimeter projectors, they turn them into 70 millimeter.
and these are the projectors that you use for regular movies as well. The other
digital projectors. This one slides back on the tracks and those roll in.
and putting those either one for a 2D showing or two for a 3D showing is what I believe. Two of them. Okay.
I think. Could be wrong on that.
And from my research online, they use a xenon bulb. A xenon, huh?
Yeah, they're all
and I've heard that they could explode on you. And
this is the IMAX 15,000 watt xenon lamp.
Wow. Wow, so here's one.
Biggest lamp you'll see.
And the last 70 millimeter movie was Dunkirk, was it? Or Tenet. Okay. So yeah, this
Tenet,
is.
And then Dunkirk before that, and then the first time I was out here was for Star Wars Rogue One.
Oh wow! So yeah, this is definitely something. All right, literally, I'm seeing a film.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, thank you very much. Thank you. I can't wait to see this film.
Come back up after the show's over, and we'll still be running the credits.
Oh, okay.
Film it, and still going.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for what you do. I can't wait to see this film.
Enjoy the film.
This is it. 60-foot tall, 80-foot wide screen. No TV at home's gonna beat this. I've never seen this place so full. That was it. 3 hours of this.